So here's how I set up for a day to trade. First things first, no phone until noon. Gotta do a dopamine detox, and that just helps for the rest of the day. I gotta mark out the pre-market highs and the lows, but there we go. On top of writing down the pre-market levels, I also like to mark out where price gravitates to. You know, Friday, we had a double bottom, as pattern traders might call it. So knowing where the price might return to during the day that I'm trading is something very useful, and that helps me a lot. But now, be serious. Tell me this mic isn't a huge upgrade from the last one that I was using. Look, now I got scenes on OBS. I'm not using that bullshit Logitech one that I used in the last video. Anyways, could be looking to go short here, just down to the hourly level or the POC. I see a crazy surge of contracts on the ass side. I think, yeah, just take a little scalp. Hold until it's not supposed to be a long hold, but who knows what happens. Okay, I'm gonna keep a fairly thin stop loss. I'm exiting right fucking now. Holy shit. Anyways, now we can look for a real entry now that we've hit a level. 20,000 what the fuck? I've never seen that before. Now what? And I remember last time I did a rush of volume, played it downside, I exited off of emotions, and it was an entry based off emotions. I didn't build a thesis, so I'm a little bit hesitant to do it again, even though I saw all of that volume. But a 3-step verification off of the pre-market high, move down, rush of volume, that is a proper thesis. And it's funny because originally I had my stop loss set above the pre-market high, but then I thought that was too much for a short move that it was supposed to be. No, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, this third one. If it has good enough volume, hopefully it doesn't shoot downwards, making me only have 10 cents of profit to actually earn. But I'm gonna wait for it to close, and then I'm gonna enter. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck did I just say? It's funny because I'm loading up the same contract I had loaded up 10 minutes ago. Okay, it's over. Oh my fucking, I cannot believe that. Oh my fucking god. It is exactly, this is obviously what was gonna happen, but I tried to be a little bitch about it because my last fucking trade went so badly. I mean, if I held longer, then it would have been a great first trade. Oh my fucking god. Okay, no, that's fine. I can still enter. It's not over yet. I just gotta not be retarded, basically. Waiting for the close. There we go. Of course, the ultimate price target would be down here. We have stair-stepping volume right here. VIX is breaking out of its range. Tape is reading strong numbers, but holy shit, dude. I could have entered up here, but I probably would have exited just down here. I would have just taken this huge one candle scalp. The only reason I didn't enter all the way up here is because I wanted to be sure that this would be a good trade, unlike my last trade, which is interesting how my last trade fucked up my psychology, which made me miss a huge move in this trade. So not only did it cost me money in the last trade because it went red and it was a negative, it was a loser trade, but it also costed me money because I was too scared to enter at the perfect time. Crazy, there's more volume in this green candle than there was in this huge red one. That's ridiculous. Okay, so basically it's not looking good at all. Oh wow, and it just closed like that. So I guess now I'm gonna exit. Wow, holy shit. Okay, exit my position. Okay, now I'm gonna write it down in my journal so I can remember what went wrong. I'm trying to figure out what type of price action this is. I don't know if it's end of the move price action or if it's beginning of a move price action. I'm just not sure. If these wicks, for example, were all flipped to the top of the candle, that would clearly show it's the end of the move going up, and they're trying to go down because there's pressure on the upside, pushing them downwards. Oh shit, I went to the bathroom. Let me watch the volume for this candle. You can kind of see the volume has dropped off. These candles are not very big. If the volume during this candle looks good, then I will enter once again. Right, I'm gonna buy a 18457 put called. It has the most amount of option buy volume. That's the contract with the highest amount of volume. It has the highest gamma, and it's half the price of the 457 one, which when I start using real money, that would look a lot more attractive to me. Which, ooh, I might start trading with real money soon. Perfect. Look at these huge surges of volume. That's what I chose to ignore last time, and then I missed this huge move. The reason I said the higher gamma down, that means this will go into profit quicker, because remember, gamma is based off of the delta. The gamma is how much the delta will increase by if it moves by $1 in price, which means the higher your gamma, the higher it will add on top, which means it will put more profit into your options contract, which is why gamma is such an important Greek. So cheaper contract and it will go into profit quicker. That's a good deal. Bro, no fucking way. Already? I don't understand how I get every single trade fucking wrong. Like, am I just the worst fucking trader ever, dude? No, it's a good setup. There's still plenty fucking volume. I'm gonna hold. I drag my stop loss down a little bit more. Give me a little bit more breathing room considering this wick and this wick both line up. Let me know if you guys fuck with this little layout, which this is the main one, but this layout is the one I would use if I'm like cold calling. So I guess we'll see where this goes. Oh fuck, it was looking so good all the way up here and now it's down here. Fuck, this past 20 minutes I've just been planning how I'm gonna get a better computer. But I mean, it all really depends on how much money I start making in options. But, little sneak peek, I'm not gonna be the one who's making the decisions on whether to enter a trade or not. As you can see, if anybody trusted me with their money, we would all be broke. So I'm gonna be following somebody else's call out. Like, okay, it's not looking good. I think this trade is over now. It's not been stopped out yet. I was thug it out until it hits my stop loss or my take profit. It ain't over till it's over. Past half an hour, I've just been contemplating how I'm gonna get a new laptop. I've kind of come to the verdict that I think I'm gonna wait until the end of August to just rack up as much money as I can. I'm gonna refund it obviously, so I'm gonna be net zero by the time I get it. I'll order a new MacBook M2 15-inch MacBook Air, or maybe a fucking 14-inch M2 MacBook Pro or some fucking bullshit off Amazon right before school starts. I'm exiting. Fuck you. I'm trying to go home. Fuck. Oh my god. This is my biggest red day I think I've ever done. Holy shit. Okay. Anyways. Okay. As we just watch the trade go more red and more red. Bye.